Bielitsa looking. Bogdanovich, 3 seconds. Bogey for the win! Bogdanovich!
Pack 'em up and send 'em home, Grand Napier!
If you don't like that, you don't like Kings basketball! Oh, boy!
Step back, Bobby Jack. Bobo delivers in the biggest moment. And this is great defense right here by Tyson Chandler, one of the best in the business. Bogdan knew as soon as he let it go, I'm built for this situation. Reach up, knock it down, send him home. We'll see you again soon.
Yeah, we'll see you again on Sunday. Bogdanovich, happy holidays, Sacramento.
At far side of the floor, Bielitsa will be the trigger man. This will happen in a hurry. Here comes Fox. Ball fake. Belly holding. Got to get it in. Does to Bogey. Bogey drives to his right. 3 for the win. He's got the bucket. The Kings get the victory as time expires. Pandemonium at Golden One Center. Oh, look at the sea of arms upraised. People jumping up and down in their seats. And Bogdanovich being absolutely mobbed by his teammates. Final score, 117-116.
Too far out. Cash.
Let's fucking go!